NanoCardAR, the new generation. In the 21st century, paper products are bulky and inefficient, specifically business cards and resumes. Back in the day, the only way of communicating yourself professionally to other people was through passing business cards along. The way we meet new talent for jobs, or hiring managers for opportunity, has stayed the same for the last 40 years. When you are out looking for a job or meeting new people at networking events, nobody wants to walk around with a stack of business cards or a pile of resumes anymore. There should be a seamless way to display your professional information to everyone you meet in real life, so that they know what you've achieved and what you're capable of. Our software, NanoCardAR, will ensure that you never miss out on another opportunity again. NanoCardAR is a digital resource for displaying your business card and professional information. It's a new method of connecting with other professionals in real life, which is environmentally conscious, contactless, and built for the future. The old days of paper cards are behind us. Digital business cards are here, in real life, for everyone to see. The world is changing, and we need to change with it by adapting to a new age of business and communication. With NanoCardAR, we create a fusion of your professional information with augmented reality to display for everyone with our free application. All you need to do is download the mobile app on your phone, sign up, and then you can create your profile. In your profile, you can have images, videos, GIFs, or anything you like to represent yourself, what your qualifications are, and edit it on the fly. This generates a QR code for people to scan using the app, which then tells them everything they need to know about you, all in an instant. Your custom QR code can be displayed on your phone screen, it can be printed as a sticker and left in different locations, or you can put it on social media or email it to your contacts. It's tough to find a job you love, but with NanoCardAR, you can represent yourself exactly how you want to, helping you land that position you've always wanted. With a user-friendly design, NanoCardAR makes the transition from paper cards to digital networking as easy as possible, both for people looking for a job, as well as people aiming to find top-quality talent. For pledging your support, we have some amazing offers in our Kickstarter. For $15, you get the Beta Pack, which removes ads from the software and enables 3D view. For $50, you get the Beta Lifetime Pack, giving you a lifetime subscription with tons of cool features, including unlimited card scans. For $65, you become a premium member, gaining access to awesome new templates and animations. NanoCardAR, the new generation.